What is going on, guys? Welcome back to How to Maintain Your Computer series. Let's see. So, we left off with uninstalling programs and our apps. Now, let's go and I'll show you guys how to manually check for junk or residue that it may have left. So, what you just want to do is check in here. I don't know what. We're gonna leave Crash alone for a minute. That might be, but no, because Windows usually Windows usually put crash logs in crash logs in shit Windows folder. This might be for MSI, maybe. So if you guys don't know what it is, all you just have to do is crash folder. What is crash folder? Windows. Okay, this isn't what we wanted. What the hell? Okay, what was the other one? ESD. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking these two have got something to do with Windows, so we just leave them alone even though they're empty right now. I feel like these should be in the Windows folder, but hey, it is what it is. Okay, we leave the logs alone. See what else can we do? Let's look up XAMPP. Oh, there's two P's. Let's see. Why do I have images? I don't want no images. Let's go over here. Okay. It's Apache. So we'll leave that alone for now. Uh, let's see. Alright, so that's it for in here. Let's go into program files. That's my dog barking. No, let's reinstall you because you was in the FSI thing. Okay, I already got it installed. I don't know how I got it installed, but I already got it installed. Okay, I already got it installed, so I'm gonna see if I can run it. That's cool. Alright, So, yeah, we're just going through here. What's Apple? Okay, we need that. Design on. We're just going in through here, making sure everything looks good. And all that. So far, so good. Okay, we can get rid of him. Because we don't have HP on our computer. Oh shit. Oh well, I can reinstall HP. Ain't no problem. I forgot I was working on our daughter's HP printer. Trying to get it to print. It's all good. See, Microsoft, leave everything that in Microsoft, leave it be. What is MS Build? Workflow, okay. NetBeans, I don't think we got NetBeans anymore. Because I think I've just been using Notepad++ for programming recently. Let me pause you guys, and I'll be right back. And I'm back. Let's see. Specky, I don't think I got Specky anymore. And that's it for program files. Let's go program files 86. See what's in here. Let's look those guys up. Sometimes, okay, we'll need that. But sometimes if you don't know what it is, just look it up. Because you just don't know what it could be. Easy anti-cheat. Okay. Okay, we can delete you. Okay. It's a Windows driver, so we'll leave that alone. Let's see what else we got. Alright. Might as well delete the HP. Oh. Yeah. We'll delete it. I don't think we're gonna need it to print anyways, but shit, you never know nowadays. We can delete that too. iMobi. What the hell is iMobi? Okay. We can delete that too. Let's see. Let's view. No, I don't need that either. I'm using Lonely Screen for that, so we can get rid of that. We can. Yep. There you go. Now you don't have to do this every time you maintain your computer. It's just good just to go through it every once in a while. Make sure that everything is clean in there and it's, you know, you don't have anything just sitting there just waiting to mess up your computer, or just sitting there and you haven't, you know, you uninstalled it. Because a lot of times, a lot of times, uh, for instance, this phone recovery right here, I had some of these phone recoveries. A lot of times when you uninstall something, it leaves everything there. And even when you run CCleaner don't get it all. It get most of it, but not all of it. What is that? Unigen? Okay, we can keep Unigen. What is? Last one here, guys. Let's look it up. Data recovery. Don't need it. Don't need it. Delete. Damn it. Delete. Alright, so let's close out of that. And what is Safari doing open? Let's close out of you. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to pause you guys. But other than that, right there, that's it. I mean, you can go in your users, admin, and all that, just to make sure everything nice and clean. But I really don't do that because it's very rarely you have to delete something, and you know. But this is how you do it, right here. Like, just go through like you did it before. Alright. Alright. Go on default. App data. Roaming. Local. Temp. Nothing. Alright. I'll be right back. Let me pause you guys and do some more. And I'm back. So while we doing this, back to what I was saying about uninstalling Microsoft stuff, like the framework and .NET and all that. Now, back in the day, where we at? Back in the day, you could delete all the older versions of. Let me just show you real quick. Settings. Okay. Apps. Apps and features. I usually don't do it like that, but there we go. Let me type in Microsoft. Like the .NETs and all that good stuff. The ASP and, you know. Back in the day, the SQL was the same too. But back in the day, uh, everything that's Microsoft, the older versions. Back in the day, you could delete the older versions and keep the newer versions. What happened? What the hell? But I don't know how it is today. I know a lot probably has changed since the late 90s and early 20s. So I'll do a little bit of research and then I'll do a video on that too. That let you know what you can delete, not delete, what's safe to delete, you know, what's not safe to delete. All that good stuff. But let's finish this up. Just go through the photos, what have you. I'm pretty sure default's gonna be empty, which it is. Helmsley. Let's go there and there's a bunch of crap. So this here, font config, okay. Keyrings.net. Excuse me. Alright. I usually don't mess with any of this, but I am gonna see what .eclipse is. It is. What is? I don't know, but it doesn't seem to say. It doesn't say that it's dangerous. It seems rather important. Oops. So we're gonna leave as is. Let's go on down. Let's look that up. It's for NVIDIA. We'll leave that alone. Right? Yep. Let's go into app data, local. And we can delete that. I don't think we got Aspirin installed. Okay, so that must be something about God of Faraway Hill. So we'll leave that alone. Apple Computer, iTunes, we can delete that. Apple Inc. Logs, we'll leave that alone. Baby01. Baby fishes? What the hell? Baby fishes. Hold on. Okay, so we can go ahead and delete that. Because there was no information about that. Battle Eye. Let's see. Anti-cheat. Okay, that's good. Bifrost. Azora. Okay. Can delete BlueStacks because I don't use BlueStacks anymore. Let's look in no cache. That looks good. Comms. Good. Crash dumps. Let's go ahead. Delete the crash dumps. Make it nice and clean. Crash report client. Okay. Go logs. Let's delete the crash report. Make it nice and clean. Okay. Unsent crash reports. None. Good. Good shit. A lot of people likes to delete their cache be careful what you delete in there. I usually have CCleaner to do all the cache deleting for me. Just never know what you need, man. DBAC. What the hell is DBAC? iPhone. You can delete that. DBG. Crash DB. Okay. Let's look this up. Safe to delete cache. Windows 11. Okay. There we go. See that? We learned something new. Okay. So, let's go ahead. Yeah, let's go ahead and clear out our cache. Or not. Oops. Where the hell did we go? Shit. Lost our place. Okay. Is there another cache? There we go. Data recommendations. Alright. DOSBox. Distro. What is distro? Okay, so it's a recovery thing, so we can keep that. No. Phone pal, delete you from software. From software. Okay, to get this for games. Public, yep. You know, it's for the games. We can get rid of GIMP. Yeah, that's the, yep, get rid of these two. Okay. Alright. Good stuff. Okay. Let's go to temp. Go ahead. Move everything from temp. So here's what we're going to do. Oops. This might take a little while. Okay. This stuff is just, they just, you know, holding this stuff. Oh, God knows what reasons. Interrupted. Some of the stuff you may not be able to get rid of. Okay, so we can leave these here. Because apparently they don't want to be deleted. So, when you run into that problem, that's fine. I mean, it doesn't mean there's anything wrong with your computer. I think that is pretty much it, guys. Okay. Yeah. Good stuff. Let's go back to desktop. Actually, let's go to OS. Let's go. Let's go into Windows. And what we're looking for here is downloads. Download the programs. Nothing. Good. And we are looking for to clean out the cache. That's Seminole. Nothing in there. We can clean out the logs. Okay. Let's check download. Okay. Okay. System is System 32. You really don't want to mess with too much, if at all. Because that will break your computer. Let's go into temp. Continue. I'm not seeing cache. Okay. What the hell did we look up before, guys? There we go. There we go. I'm not seeing that on my side of things. Hmm. I don't know. I ain't gonna worry about it. So, So what are we gonna do now? Let's go to recycling bin. Into recycling bin. And then we are gonna go to, after this runs, excuse me. While that's doing that, let's go settings. Okay, let's go into settings. Like I said, you ain't gotta do that all the time. Just every once in a while, just hit it. I wouldn't do it once a week, maybe once a couple weeks, or once a month. But everything else, like what we did before, once a week. This is the easier way to do it. This way. I honestly don't like doing it this way because I like to do it myself. But this is another way to do it. Honestly, I didn't even know this was Hill until I looked it up. This might take a little while. Hold on, let me cancel this. Let me pause. And I'm back, guys. So, we're going to go ahead and check everything this time. Then we're going to remove, continue. And I'm going to pause you guys again. I'll be right back once this is done. And if it's not done by the time I gotta go to work, then I will finish it either tonight or tomorrow. And it's done. Never mind. Never mind, guys. It's done. Okay, so that's not going to be removed. Alright, let's go ahead. How is this looking now? I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay. Unused apps. That's nice to know. Okay. That's alright. Yeah. We're good. We're good, guys. So let's go back. We can close out of you. Now let's run Windows disk cleanup. And minimize you. Okay. And we are going to go ahead and hit the cleanup systems file. And then we're going to hit OK. Delete files. Alright, so we're back to weekly stuff. Weekly maintaining it. Like everything that we did up to the point, like to well, we manually checked for things, and then we manually checked for, you know, temporary files and all that good stuff. You don't gotta do that every week. Maybe every bye week. But this cleanup I just did, I will run that. I will run that every week. The Windows updates I will run every week. Drivers, checking drivers updates every week. Windows updates every week. Drivers updates every week. And just cleanup every week. Everything else that we just did right there can wait for bi-weekly or a month. Now, we are done in the hill. We are going to go and close out of that Chrome. We are going to go ahead and open CCleaner. Yes, please. Maximize. It might not be in this series, but I will show you guys how to manually go through and check uh, the Regedit, and then because that's a whole different can of worms right there we're opening. Regedit can take all. It takes a while to go through all those registry keys. No thanks. But yeah, that's what we do after we finish this series of maintaining your computer. Actually, that might be part of maintaining your computer. Yeah, I think that's going to be part of it. And then another part of it is going to be, well, we do research on the Microsoft products, older versions of C++ and .NET and all that. Make sure what is safe to delete and not delete. It's going to be fun. So, we are going to go ahead and hit start. We're going to close and analyze. Always do, when you're running CCleaner, always do the health check first. Yes, force it close. It feels under the weather. Holy crap, we got a lot of trackers to remove. Like, we're definitely going to miss some things and manually doing it. But CCleaner will come and help us out. Check applications. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah, that's good. There we go. We don't want to save anything in those. Sticky notes. We can do that. Sticky notes. Photos, temp files. This. Everything else is good. Now, we come back down here. Network data usage. There we go. We're going to hit. We're going to make sure everything's checked. Except for the things you don't want. Maybe for saved passwords and all that. For your browsers. Saved information and all that. we check Windows and Applications tabs, make sure they're straight, make sure everything's checked, and everything's not checked that we don't want to get rid of. Then we're going to hit Analyze. $235 to be removed. See, that's why we did it manually first, and then we did health check uphill first, and then right here would be much easier to do, quicker too. Hopefully quicker. Run cleaner. Hit continue. And I'm gonna pause you guys right here because this could take at least an hour or so. Hopefully it's 16 minutes, not an hour. But I'll be right back, guys. And if I'm not back, then I'll finish this in the next video. What's going on, guys? So, I'm going to have to continue this in the next video. So you can see it's 50 minutes left, and now you got like 15 minutes before the best comes. So, I'll catch you guys later. Have a great rest of your day. At least I'm going to try have a great rest of my day. But you all know how that goes when you're working, so we'll see. There we go. Hey, that was me. Not sure why that was off, but anywho, have a great day, guys. If you like this kind of stuff, please show some support for me. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment. What have you. And I'll catch you guys next time.